Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in the 10th tutorial of Angular Crash Course. In this video, we are going to talk about Angular pipes. We have a table named name present here from which this value God of crash is coming on the front end. Now if we want to see everything in the lowercase, we can simply write like this just after putting a pipe next to the name variable, and you can see the changes getting reflected on the front end. Similarly, if I have to see everything in the uppercase letters, so I can write uppercase and everything will come in uppercase on the front end. Right, so this is how pipes can be applied. Now we have a variable named today in component.ts file which is pulling the system's current date and time. Okay, so let's just use it somewhere on the HTML files. So as you can see now, the current date and time is getting reflected here on the front end of the Angular application. Now I need to apply a pipe named date on this. So this is how it can be done. So as you can see, the format has changed and it is December 24, 2022, which we are able to see over here. So let's now check out the use of currency pipe. For that, we need to define a variable here. Cash is equals to 20.98. Saving the changes, coming on the HTML file, and here I can saving the changes, and dollar is now getting reflected with the value of cash. If you want to change the symbol, suppose, so for doing that you can simply pass a value to the currency pipe. How you'll do it? So you'll have to put a semicolon and you'll have to put a colon, and then inside single inverted commas you can put the name of the currency you want to see on the front end. So I would like to see Indian rupees, and this is how you can make the required changes. This is it from my side in the lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the 11th lecture now. Bye bye, take care and have a great day.